there are times that we want support. We want someone who can understand us and won't judge us for what we are saying, what we are sharing. Sebab kalau nak share pada orang yang tak ada anak autistic, mungkin tak faham kan, mungkin akan ada judgement. Sebab yalah, the knowledge, the awareness and the understanding on how the challenges that we are facing tu tak ada pada semua orang. So because kan kita selalu cakap empathy, but I realised that at the age of 42, like few years ago only, I realised that macam there are many things that kita rasa kita akan sympathy, kita boleh faham, kita ada empathy, tapi bila kita hadapi sendiri baru kita rasa what I thought that it could be was not the same as how we went through it.